My name is Jack Alderson, and I work as a barista at Acosta Coffee on the motorway. I normally work using a headset, right? So normally I'm speaking to customers, like they don't see my face, I'll be talking, and enough of them have said, like either through the headset or seeing me in person, your voice sounds good, and I would happily listen to it more. And I never thought of it before, as I doubt most people have who choose to do this job, but yeah, I just thought it would be good to me to maybe attempt voiceover work. I found it insightful. I found it good to hear answers to things that I had in person rather than just finding an answer online that lots of people could have seen, or maybe find some sort of an in into the whole career path, and maybe at least just get some answers for what it takes to become a voiceover. I found it useful to, I'm sure a lot of people say it, but I found the most useful bit hearing not just myself but other people push their limits in terms of how they use their voices and getting as much from their voice as they possibly can, even if it's outside of their comfort zone, reading a script that they might never have even thought to read or attempt reading even if given for one. I would definitely say it's a good starting point in terms of expansion of knowledge. I would recommend it for somebody that has no idea and wants to learn the basics and get the ball rolling at least in their head to understand what it takes to do what they want to do and like the realities of it. I found it all very honest, like not everything was sugar-coated, which is a good thing, you know, like it said a lot of the things that aren't so great and the things that are great about it as well. So I found having that truthful, honest answer and that honest opinion about it to be very useful in how I view it.